Growing pressure on Prince Andrew as yet more damaging allegations emerge. Just hours before the publication of Virginia Giuffre's memoir, claims that Andrew's team tried to discredit her after she'd accused him of sexual assault. Andrew's already agreed not to use his royal titles, but now there are calls for them to be removed entirely.
Take them off him. This is a man who said that he wanted to play some more with a convicted, international, notorious paedophile. In what world is he able to keep those titles?
Well, Prince Andrew still maintains his innocence, of course, but this is another unwelcome distraction at the start of an important week for the King. So what else can be done to stem the damage? Also tonight. Millions left without online banking, games or social media today after a breakdown in Amazon Web Services. So what exactly went wrong? Awkward questions for Paris police, still hunting the gang of thieves who took just 7 minutes to spirit away priceless jewels from the Louvre. Here, an independent inquiry into maternity and neonatal failures in Leeds as bereaved parents demand answers.
It's a chance for accountability and for justice for what we've experienced, what we've lost and the sheer hell we've been through.
And chocolate, or not a lot. Why some family favourites may no longer be quite what they seem.
Just as milk chocolate flavour coating 29%.
Do you feel robbed?
Yeah.
Daylight chocolate robbery.
This is the ITV Evening News with Mary Nightingale.
Good evening. The damaging claims about Prince Andrew kept on coming today. In a few hours' time, the memoir by his accuser, Virginia Giuffre, will be published. Among its allegations, a claim that Prince Andrew's team tried to hire internet trolls to hassle Miss Giuffre. Before her death by suicide in April, she'd alleged that the paedophile financier Jeffrey Epstein trafficked her to have sex with Andrew. He denies any wrongdoing. The Prince announced on Friday he will no longer use his titles, including Duke of York. But Andrew remains a major distraction for the royal family, and there are now calls for him to be formally stripped of his dukedom.